Today I would like to talk about handlebars and how to use the parent context within it. If you haven't become familiar with handlebars or are not using it, or you need to brush up, you can just go to my website and search for handlebars. And I had an earlier video that talks about how to use the basics or JavaScript templates. So this is where basically I'm starting at the point where I had left off in the video. And the point I want to emphasize is that I had a series of comments within a for each loop of handlebars. And say here it says here is the first comment, but I would like to refer to the title of the book or wherever this is being commented about inside here. So how do I access it? And let me just show you. It's pretty easy. So basically, to review the context, this is our comments, and we have the author and the first name, last name, and all that information. So I've added a title for this particular author. Maybe this is the name of the book or whatever. So this is the title, and I want to be able to access within this comment blocks in handlebars something in the parent, because it's not part of the comments, because here you have would have a for each loop. So I want to be able to access author dot title somehow in here. So it's pretty easy actually. What you need to do is let's say I go to the point where I wanted to access that, so I'm going to emphasize it. And basically what I would like to access is author dot title. Just pardon me, author dot title. And it's not sufficient to do this in various versions of handlebars. Since it's part of the comments, you have to go up to be able to access it. So I'm going to try to access it by just adding this going up level and see if it works. And see here, you can see that it is working. And this can be a pretty useful trick if you have a very complex object and you are trying to manipulate inside a handlebars and you are within a for each. So thank you for watching this short screencast, and you have a great day.